MLA ke Nongkrem uba Arden Embasaya Moy la sngiu Bitar jor halor ke Jingbam Ailat ban Wanrah ya ke Kiew dor ki Marbam mardi ya ke jela ke balak ta ke beduk barasyo hak shisha uba Arden ulabu ban Wanrah ya kene kamat hapo ke ying dor bar menta ke sngi Indreu speaker Shim la Ailat bat menteri ketenat food and civil supplies uba komingon embon ula Wanrah ya ke jingtho halor ki dor ki mar ki mata abakren cikla pasai ku bor haba ke ying dor bar uba Arden ula Wanrah ya kedor hapedeng ka Meghalaya bat kiwe ki jela katkum kedor ke balayok lomu ba Arden kedor ki jhor hayaudu Shillong ki Khlem palat ban ya ki dor jhor ha Assam ha Mizoram ulaong ba kene ke Kiew dor ki Marbam mardi kalak ta jor ya ki pai ba ki bedok ki barai toy bat ula kwa ban pan jingshai na ke sarkar da kiwe ki senjam ba kalak shim ban telakam ya kene ke Kiew dor ki Marbam mardi.
I was not allowed to raise this issue inside the house, and the zero hour notice that I've submitted has been converted into a court attention, where the minister simply laid the reply on the table of the house, on the floor of the house. So you see, this issue is very important because it affects almost every family. It has hard-hitting, many families in the state. So I want to, to inform the House the rate, of these essential commodities, where I've made a comparative statement of these essential commodities, the difference in Mizoram, in Assam and Meghalaya. Tomato, the rate of tomato in Mizoram is 45 per kg. In Assam, 40 per kg, and in Meghalaya, 50 per kg. Green chili in Mizoram 80 per kg, in Assam 80 per kg, and in Meghalaya 110 per kg. Beetroot in Mizoram 40 per kg, Assam 45, and in Meghalaya 70 per kg. Bitter gourd, where we used to call Kerala, Vilakasis, 42 in Mizoram, 40 in Assam, and 50 per kg in Meghalaya. Bottle gourd, Khlem, 40 in Mizoram, 40 in Assam, and 60 per kg in Meghalaya. Cabbage, 35 in Mizoram, 37 in Assam, 40 in Meghalaya. Carrot, 70 in Mizoram, 65 in Assam, 90 rupees per kg in Meghalaya. French beans, 58 in Mizoram, 53 in Assam, 70 per kg in Meghalaya. Brinjal, 44 in Mizoram, 43 in Assam, and 50 per kg in Meghalaya. Cauliflower, 55 per kg in Mizoram, 50 per kg in Assam, and 80 rupees per kg in Meghalaya. Garlic, 186 per kg in Mizoram, 170 per kg in Assam, and 220 rupees per kg in Meghalaya. Ginger, 120 in Mizoram, 120 in Assam, and 180 per kg in Meghalaya. Ladies ginger, 35 in Mizoram, 36 in Assam, 55 per kg in Meghalaya. Avicot, patol, 40% or 40 rupees in Mizoram, 45 rupees per kg in Assam, and 60 per kg in Meghalaya. And this is the rate which I have compared with Nagaland, Mokochung, Meghalaya, and Assam. Most rice. In Nagaland, Mokochung, 40 rupees per kg. In Assam, in Meghalaya, 50 rupees per kg, and in Assam, 36 rupees per kg. Mustard oil, 155 per liter in Mokochung, 180 in Meghalaya per liter, and in Assam, 140. See the difference. Refined in Yodo, that means in the Meghalaya rate, and 270 per kg in Assam. Potato, 40 rupees in Mokochung, 40 rupees, that is almost the same in Meghalaya, and 29 in Assam. Onion, 50 rupees in Mokochung, 60 in Meghalaya, 40 in Assam. Dal, masoor, 110 per kg in Mokochung, 100 only in Meghalaya, 80 in Assam. Sugar, 35 rupees in Mokochung, 48 in Meghalaya, and 47 per kg in Assam. This is the rate which I've just collected on the 24th of August. So you understand the problem faced by the people. People now they are complaining, that they don't have anything, to leave for a saving. So this is a very serious issue. I want the House to know the rate, the current rate. The government has to intervene. The government maybe has to invoke the Essential Commodities Act, and the government will have to find out, because the people are suffering because of the skyrocketing on the essentials. So I feel this is very important. I should have been given a chance, but if the government can, if the speaker can convert, a zero honor test to call attention, why can't the speaker instruct the chief minister or one of the deputy chief minister to respond to my short duration discussion? So this is my stand.
What is the source of this statistics?
This source of the statistics is being based on, on the ground, where I send my boys to collect the information, because I don't want to say anything, from hearsay. This is the correct rate which I've sent my boys to collect from the market.
What is the reason for this high rate here? Only Shillong.
Which is why we want to know from the government what the government has done. Maybe whether the government is aware that this is the Yodo rate, the market rate. What is the rate in the local village, in our localities? It must have been higher.
Even city localities vary.
Yeah. This is the market, because Yodo rate is, you understand, is cheaper comparing to the locality rate. So imagine the locality rate. You will not get this rate that you get in Yodo. So this is an issue that I feel I should be given or should be allowed to speak.
So all the localities.
Yeah, the government will have to study. The government will have to fix the rate and conduct inspection, and try to find a solution. Because sometimes people, they might not get a good rate from the market. So obviously they have to increase the rate for benefits. So the government will have to deal with this issue very seriously.